In my last video, I spoke to you about sounds, the two different kinds of sounds, activating sounds and calming sounds, as well as the nature, which is endowed with both activating as well as calming sounds, the entire gamut, which we can utilize as we step out into it, and it can help us harmonize our body, mind, and spirit. In this video, I want to introduce you to the concept of binaural beats and how to use them correctly. So stay attentive. Binaural beats are beats which are created when two different sound waves interact with each other or meet each other in space, cancel each other out, and the different frequency is what tunes our brain. For example, if you're listening to 100 hertz in your left ear, it will influence the right brain, and 102 hertz in the right ear will influence the left side of the brain. Now, these two sound waves interact with each other and cancel each other out. So the difference, which is 2 hertz, is delta wave frequency, and this frequency will help us relax deeply and achieve a state of deep sleep, which is beneficial for our health. So there is a part in our brain which is called the corpus callosum. The function of corpus callosum is to make the two hemispheres interact with each other, connects the two hemispheres. So the corpus callosum is essentially responsible for these two frequencies connecting with each other, cancelling each other out, and then tuning our brain or synchronizing our brain to 2 hertz or whatever is the difference, which might come to delta frequency, like in this case, the example that I shared, or maybe alpha frequency, which is for alertness and performance, beta frequency, which is for speed, processing information, thinking, problem solving, which is good for ADD, ADHD cases, or theta frequency, which is a creative daydreaming state, good for artistic endeavors and for creative pursuits. Delta frequency, as I said, for good sleep and deep relaxation. I want to tell you that it is seldom that we as human beings on a day-to-day basis are in a state of synchronization, when our brain is fully synchronized. And when our brain is fully synchronized, we are at our optimum best. We can function at our optimum best. So listening to binaural beats helps us achieve this state. But is it good enough if you listen to it on speakers? It will tune our brain. But if you listen to it on earphones, because these are two different frequencies influencing two different hemispheres, connecting the two different hemispheres, and synchronizing our brain. So I would recommend that you try listening to binaural beats on your phones and share your experience with me. Stay tuned, for in my next video, I'm going to share with you a very special information about what's debuting through me, through Budding Bows in India.